Namaskaram everyone. Today we have made an Indo-Chinese recipe called as chili paneer without using onion and garlic. I'm not going to be calling this as a pranic recipe since I'm not sure whether this will fall into the pranic recipe category. So I'm going to be calling it as a sattvic recipe. We have not used onion and garlic. If you're watching this and if you know whether it will fall in the pranic category, please let me know because we have deep fried the cottage cheese and also it's a milk product. So I'm not sure about it, whether it will come in the prawn recipe category. Even though we have not used onion and garlic, we have not compromised on the taste at all. It's come out so well. And now let's get into the video and see how to make this Indo-Chinese recipe called as chili paneer.
For chili paneer, we need 200 grams of cottage cheese cut into small cubes. Then we need some shredded cabbage, bell peppers, green bell peppers cut into small pieces, and also some carrots shredded into small pieces. So we have taken about a handful of all these vegetables. We need a tablespoon of soya sauce, dark soya sauce, and we are using tomato ketchup without onion and garlic. This is a store-bought tomato ketchup. We need corn flour, about 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and 2 tablespoons of maida, that is whole refined white flour, some chili flakes. We need chaat masala, black pepper, and dry ginger powder. We also need salt to taste. You can also use the same recipe and make it with the cauliflower. So first let's take about 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of refined white flour, that is called as maida. And let's add a little bit of salt and chili flakes. Add the paneer. Add a little bit of water and coat the paneer very well. We are going to be deep frying this. Add very little water, do not add a lot of water. The flour has to just coat the paneer, that's all. Now let's heat a pan with oil and deep fry the paneer. Drop the paneer one by one and deep fry it on either sides. Transfer it to a tissue paper. Once it turns a little bit of a golden brown on the top, you can transfer it to a tissue paper. Let's keep this fried paneer aside. Now let's make the chili paneer gravy. Let's heat a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil, and add all the vegetables, the shredded cabbage, bell pepper and carrot, and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. We are not going to be overcooking the vegetables. The vegetables have to retain their crunchiness. We are adding a little bit of salt, some chili flakes, red chili powder, about a quarter teaspoon. You can adjust the spice level according to your taste. Black pepper powder, a little bit of dry ginger powder, less than quarter teaspoon. Mix it well and cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes, not more than that. Now add the fried paneer pieces. Mix it well. This chili paneer has to be served very hot. Let's add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix it well and then add a tablespoon of soy sauce. So you can make this vegetable mixture ahead, and then you can mix it when you're serving this chili paneer to your friends or family. I'm adding a little bit of chaat masala also on top. Chaat masala will give an added taste to the chili paneer. Do try out this recipe. The tasty chili paneer is ready to eat.
So much for watching this video. Do let us know if you ever try this recipe. Namaskaram to all of you.